Welcome to IT Handicap tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this tutorial, I'm going to create a console app to use the entity framework code that we have just created by EfCorePowerTools. So what I'm going to do is going to create a new project. It's called this one. This is a console app. So I'm going to here. Okay, right click this one, add a new project. And this is the console app. Give a name, press next, create. Okay, I want to change to a main method, and I want to use the previous project, that is this one, EfCorePowerTools. Press OK, press Ctrl+Shift+B. Alright, so I'm going to using the DB context. So over here, I'm going to using var DB new online game DB context. Alright, so over here, press Ctrl dot to convert the type, and then I'm going to create gamers. So that will be db.gamers there to list. So with this one, okay. So I want to copy this to here. And then I want to do some order, so that will be order by gamer name. Then I want to take the first 20. I want to do to list. Okay, that's all. Oh wait, here you are. Cool. And then I want to do for each gamer in gamers. Control dot. I want to do the console right line gamer name. Alright. Okay, that's pretty much everything. So I'm going to run again to see what's going on. Oh wait, I need to set out the star project, which is this one. Okay, that's good. I can read the data. Alright, so what about if I come back to here? Here's a online DB context. You can see I coming out the connection string. So because I use the connection string over here, that is my connection string. So what I'm going to do is, if I comment this and uncomment this, what will happen? Okay, that will tell me the error, blah 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 blah, because of original connection string created by EfCorePowerTools doesn't have one parameter that is called encryption. So if you go to my connection string, which is over here, I have encrypt equal to false, but this connection string doesn't have encrypt equal to false. So if I copy this to here, Ctrl+Shift+B again, and now I can read the data. And without this parameter, without this parameter, I can't read the data. Okay, I can't read the data. So you need to ensure you always have an encrypt equal to false. So this is a new update. You should do that. I mean, just for developing. If you are putting your code to the production environment, you shouldn't use this one anyway. All right. So I'm going to comment the connection string, and then uncomment in this partial class. Press Ctrl+Shift+B. So they will use this one as a connection string to make sure that still can run. Cool. Okay. So what about if there's some change in database? So I want to regenerate. All I have to do is just regenerate the EfCore. So I just need to delete this generate folder and right click EfCorePowerTools. So make sure I use the same connection string and still use the EfCore 6. Press OK. And then I select everything, press OK. So now all the parameters are the same. Make sure I tick this one, tick this two, advanced, tick these two, press OK, press OK. So it starts to regenerate again. Okay, so I just need to go to online game context over here to ensure I comment the connection string, because I already used the partial class to set out the connection string to here. So when it regenerates, I just need to comment the connection string again. That's it. So now I can run again. So I can still see the data. See, that's pretty good. So every time when you have a database change, just regenerate and comment the connection string. That's all. And this is very, very practical. Okay, repeat the previous step and recreate the EfCore code by using EfCorePowerTools. And scaffold DB context command cannot link to store procedure and table value function. All right, so if you go to here, and look at this, they only have a table and view, but over here we have table value function, okay, and we have table, store procedure, and view, right? So it actually can connect everything in database. So any different work reverse POCO generator is a pay extension, which is over here. So this is a pay extension. How much is it? You need to go to the website and check the pricing. That is £99 per year. All right. Another one is EfCorePowerTools, and this is free. And that is what I just introduced to you, which is this one. This is a free one. Okay, so I highly recommend you please choose one of these two extensions and to develop your database first approach. Okay, that's pretty much my suggestion. And there's one more thing I need to tell you is that EfCorePowerTools is a free Visual Studio extension, but POCO generator you need to pay for that. And the scaffold DB context command provided by Microsoft only can connect to table and view, but these two can connect to table, view, store procedure, and table value function. So that makes everything so easy. That's the reason I suggest you to use the EfCorePowerTools, because that is free and that is so powerful. All right, but there's one more thing you need to be careful. About 3 years ago, POCO generator was free for several years already, and about like in 2020 or 2019, I can't even remember, they start to charge $80 per year, and now you just increase the price from $80 to 99, sorry, 80 pounds to 99 pounds. So I will say, hey, because EfCorePowerTools is also a third-party Visual Studio extension, So I'm not sure if they are going to charge in the future or not, but for now it's still free. So try to use the EfCorePowerTool until it starts to charge the money. I really hope Microsoft can do something with it, because database first approach is still very important, and it's really not practical if we keep using third-party extension and pay for third-party extension. I think that is not very practical. Anyway, it's just my suggestions. Okay, so how to learn in the different world, how to fully understand the different world. I recommend you to developing database first, and then use the Enter Different World code generator or EfCorePowerTool to generate the EfCore in fake solution. So just like what I did, this is the fake solution. And then just create a new project and try to type all the code straight away without any extension. If your real solution can connect to table view, store procedure, and table value function, so that means you fully understand the Enter Different World. Okay, that's all. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Have a good day.